They're off. Midnight Storm broke beautifully and goes for the front. Cut a corner is asked for speed early, as is Between Horses Inside Straight. Midnight Storm does have the lead, 3/4 of a length. Domain's Rap, Made from Lucky, and Goatstown are next, and the early trailer is Texas Chrome. At the clubhouse turn, the big favorite Midnight Storm now smartly glides away, and he leads by a length and 3/4 to Inside Straight, who's at the rail, and Longshot Cut a Corner. Made from Lucky emerges now in fourth, and he's 3 lengths off the lead. Goatstown and Domain's Rap are a length and a half behind him. Texas Chrome is the trailer. He'd have to make up 7.5 lengths in the final 6 furlongs of the 71st Oaklawn Handicap. Midnight Storm with a beautiful cruising speed up the backstretch. Midnight Storm to the half-mile pole, leads by a length and 3/4 now from Cut a Corner in second. Here's an early move from the back of the pack. It comes from Goatstown. He has just taken over third. Inside Straight stays at the rail fourth. Domain's Rap, the 9-year-old, is fifth and 2.5 lengths off the lead. Then comes Made from Lucky, who has yet to fire, and Texas Chrome 6 lengths first to last, top of the stretch. Midnight Storm and Longshot. Goatstown now right alongside. Midnight Storm leads it up just a half length. Goatstown is second by 2 lengths. Domain's Rap looks for a way through. Midnight Storm cuts the corner now. Here's Inside Straight to come and challenge him. Midnight Storm, Inside Straight right alongside. To the outside, Domain's Rap has a chance, and Inside Straight has put his head in front. Inside Straight is 16th out. Midnight Storm is defeated. Domain's Rap might get into second, but he will not catch the Oaklawn Handicap winner, Inside Straight. Inside Straight wins by 2. Domain's Rap